Hey WordPressers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game-changing topic: how to increase your file upload size in WordPress without touching a single line of code. This is perfect for those of you working with large files like high-quality images or videos. We'll be using a powerful plugin called Infinite Uploads, which is not only free, but also allows for unlimited upload sizes. This tutorial is especially timely with WordPress 6.7 on the horizon, bringing exciting new features for content creators and developers alike. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. Installing Infinite Uploads. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We'll begin by installing the plugin. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type Infinite Uploads. Once you spot the plugin, click Install Now and then Activate. Just like that, you've added this powerful tool to your WordPress arsenal. Great! Now that we've installed and activated the Infinite Uploads plugin, let's configure it to boost your upload limit. Step 2. Configuring Infinite Uploads. First, navigate to Settings, Infinite Uploads in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Run Scan to get a local file overview, then connect your account by clicking Connect and then log in. Enter your credentials. Next, choose Connect as a new site from the drop-down, select the region, and click Connect. Once connected, you'll see a simple interface with a few options. Click on Sync Now and then in Enable. On this screen, you can view your cloud storage and CDN overview at the top, showing how much storage you're currently using across file types like images and code. Over on the right, there's an option to enable the video cloud if you need video storage and playback. In the Account and Settings section, let's focus on the Free Up Local Storage feature. This option is especially helpful if your server space is limited. It allows you to delete unused local copies of files that have already been synced to the cloud, freeing up valuable storage on your WordPress server. To activate, simply click Delete to clear up these files, which improves server performance without affecting your content delivery. And that's it. A quick and easy way to optimize your storage on Infinite Uploads. Thanks for watching.